Hi, I'm Kayla and I teach strings and piano at Allegro. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put your bridge back on your violin. So your bridge can come off for various reasons. Remember that your bridge is not attached to the violin by anything but the tension of the strings. So it can come off while you're tuning or while you're changing strings. It can even come off while it's in the case. Maybe the case was bumped or it was too hot somewhere and it came off. Anyways, so maybe goblins did it, who knows? So your bridge came off. So we're gonna put it back on. We wanna make sure that you loosen your pegs first. Don't loosen them so much that they come unwound from the pegs, because that'll just make it easier on you so you don't have to wind them back on. But just loosen them enough that you can slide the bridge underneath the strings. Now you want to make sure that when your bridge did come off that it didn't break or crack. So double check it's still intact. If it is cracked, don't try to replace it with this bridge. Try to go to a music store and get a new bridge and they can help you replace it there also. So if your bridge is intact, we're going to put it back on. We have a slightly taller side and a slightly shorter side. The taller side is going to go underneath your G string, shorter side underneath your E string. So you're going to slip it underneath the strings and you're going to line up the feet with the little notches on your F holes. So the inside notches on your F holes indicates where the bridge is placed. So you're going to lay it flat and then just go ahead and stand it up. You can try to start getting the strings in their notches. And once it's stood up, make sure that the feet are still right in between the notches on the F holes. Then you're going to try to make sure that you want to double check that your bridge is perpendicular to your violin. So not leaning one way or the other, perpendicular. Be sure to adjust your E string bumper. Make sure the bumper is right on the bridge. Once your bridge is in place, you're going to start tightening your strings. And we're going to tighten them in a certain order to try not to move the bridge. We're going to start with G string. You tighten the G string peg a little bit, make sure the bridge hasn't moved. Now we're going to move to the E string. Tighten the E string a little bit and double check that it hasn't moved. So my bumper just moved, so I'm going to loosen the E string and put it back on the bridge. Now we're going to go to D string, tighten that. Oops. And then A string. So each time we want to make sure that the bridge is still in the right spot. So mine is a little bit crooked, so we can slide it back down to make it perpendicular. Okay. Once the strings are pretty taut and the bridge is still in place, you can go ahead and tune your instrument. As you tune, keep watching the bridge to make sure it doesn't lean anywhere. If you're playing and you do notice that your bridge is leaning one way or the other, you can fix it then. So you'll loosen the strings and adjust it without taking it all the way off, and that'll help prevent it from coming all the way off. Okay, that's how you replace a bridge.